Okay, Hannah Bear. Hold on, Papa is coming. No, I want you to put on a helmet. Is that okay? Just in case. And then Papa will come down. Ooh, look at Sophie. We need to do a Sophie cam, huh?
Yeah, or a sarang cam. Help me!
Come on. Hop on.
It's hard.
Hop on, hurry.
It's slippery. It's slippery.
Okay, now get in the back. There you go. Get in the back. There you go. Good.
Go fast! Go fast!
There you go. You got it. Keep going.
Push me!
Keep going. I don't know why. Yeah, maybe we need a bigger hill, huh? All right. Come on, let's go up the hill. Hold on. Come on, Sophie, sarang. Keep going. Lift your hands up. There you go. Lift your hands. I got you. Lift your hands up. I got you. Okay, now hop up there. Go. Sophie. Ooh, we have the Sophie cam. Good girl. Good girl. Go. Go, Hannah Bear, go. Go on. Go, you can do it. Stand up. Good girl, come here. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. You're the snow dog, huh? You're the snow dog. You are up. There's sarang. Snow dogs. Snow dogs. Crazy snow dogs. Oh. Whew. Snow dogs. Crazy. Yum. Yum. Crazy snow dogs. Roar. Good girls. Good girls. Get him! Get him! Get him! All right, go on, Hannah Bear. Oh! Crazy snow dogs. Go, go, go. Ah, there she is. Sophie, go!
The wind blows west and quickly. Whisper in
Go on, Mama.
the
Go,
blue,
go on.
and
Oh, no.
people pace and worry. But I'm just here with you. The frost could touch the rooftops, but it'll never touch my heart. 'Cause the warmth that you and I've got, it's
Here he
more than
comes.
just a spark.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Roll, roll out!
Seasons come and go, but I know I'm always counting. 'Cause even when it's cold, I know I'll always be warm with you.
Get out the way, dog! You got her.
between hiding or
Okay, come
going
on.
down. This town is feeling restless, but I don't have a doubt. Cause I know coming home tonight means coming home to you. In the glow of the kitchen light, we'll be one for two. Time is always moving, seasons come and go, but on you I'm always counting. 'Cause even when it's cold, I know I'll always be one with you. Time is always moving, seasons come and go, but on you.
So, ayan yung ating labas guys this morning. Good morning guys, today is Saturday. Meron tayong bootleg dyan.
The original ones, it lasted like 2 seconds.
Yeah.
You gotta get some fresh batteries.
Yung Kubota na tractor. So, bali dalawa yung attachment niyan. Isa yung taga-trim ng mga damo at tapos ito yung brush. Actually, meron din siyang plow. Pero yung pinili namin is yung brush kasi kapag summer, ginagamit din namin siyang panglinis ng gilid ng aming driveway. Yung pang-mow ng grass, sama na siya dito sa pagbili namin. Pero yung mga extra, yung brush, idadagdag mo siya. Andyan si Mr. Nagpa-plow.
But that wasn't the best snow day. This was the best snow day.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice, huh?
Yeah.
So, bumili ako ng pork chop kahapon. So, nilagyan ko siya ng crispy fry na breading. Grabe guys, ang anghang pala nung kulay itim na. Grabe yung bahing ko. Yan, so ayan siya. Hayaan ko muna siya dyan para mag-absorb yung breading dito sa pork chop, and then ready na siyang iprito. Tagal namin dun sa labas kasi si Mr. naglilinis ng driveway. Yan, so painit muna tayo. Ito yung apple cider. So yung ginagawa ko, iniinit ko siya parang apple cider tea, ganun. Guys, nagluluto pala ako ng daing. So, kahapon, yung nabili kong daing sa Asian store. Ito, piniperito ko na. So, yan yung ating repolyo, guys. And then, yung partner ng repolyo. Yan, daing. So, yung mga bata, kakain ng pork chop at saka repolyo. Ako kakain ng daing. Let's go, Sap. Sophie! Ito na yung ating first week progress of renovation dito sa ating master's bedroom sa baba. So yan, kung nakikita nyo, meron na tayong wall. Bago na yung ating dingding. And then yung ating beam nalagay na. At saka dito sa ating bathroom, ayan. So nililinis na rin nila. Tinanggal na nila lahat na nandiyan para mapalitan na ng bagong dingding. At saka marami pang mga i-install dito. Abangan nyo po yung aking mga next video sa update po para sa ating renovation dito sa baba. Thank you so much for watching. Maraming pong salamat. See you next time. Bye.